Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the OpenSSH server on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system tile on this page. And then underneath system on the left side, you want to scroll down and you want to select where it says optional features. On the right side, you want to select add a feature near the top. And you want to go and search for OpenSSH. Best match should come back with OpenSSH server. Check mark inside of there and select add. And it should say reboot required once it's done. You will need to close out of here and restart your computer, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.